Rolling, we are rolling. So today I thought I would take you on a journey through the editing softwares of Adobe. I thought I would show you how to take a song of any duration and then loop it to whatever duration you need it to be. So I'm going to be using Premiere and then dropping it into Audition and then bringing it back from Audition into Premiere. But all you need to achieve this loop is to use Audition. So I have this track, for instance. I have this audio track here that needs to be the length of the video. So I look at the timeline, it's about 5 minutes to 14. So I'm just gonna say about 10 minutes long. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click on it. You're gonna go to Edit Clip in Audition. So now it's loaded up into Audition and you're gonna go up to the top left corner to the multi-track, click it. It's gonna open up this window here and you're gonna name it. You're gonna pick your location, click it. I'm gonna hit OK. Then it opens up this editor. You're gonna drop in the wave or the MP3, whatever audio track you have. Then you're gonna go down to Enable Remix, right down in this Properties tab. If it's not there, go to Window, go down to Properties, and click that, and it should appear. Make sure this is clicked, hit Enable Remix. It's gonna analyze the clip. Then once it's done, go down here to Target Duration, and put whatever duration you want. So for me, I'm gonna put 10 minutes, hit Enter, and it's gonna come up with this number that is fairly close to the target duration that you put in. I can't get it exactly all the time. So if I wanted it above 10 minutes, maybe I'd put in 10, 10, and then we have 10:02, and that's way closer. So you just gotta play with it to get it exactly how you want it. I never have it exactly the perfect time that I need. So now you can actually see, if you zoom out, where the seams are made, and we can take a listen to this. It's perfect, it's beautiful, it's amazing. So now you go up to File, Export to Adobe Premiere Pro, and it will ask for a name, location, and you hit Export. It's gonna drop it into Premiere Pro, and it's gonna ask you to use a new audio track or whatever audio track you wanna put on. That just means whatever track here you want it to go onto. I always just do new audio track so I don't screw with whatever's already on the timeline. Drop it in. And there it is, right there. Now I have this complete music track that lasts the complete length of the talking head clip that I have for my upcoming video. But that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you gained something from it. If you did, I'm happy for you. I really am. Because that means you didn't waste your time. And I don't want to waste people's time. So, until next time, have an amazing day. Go crush it. Go have a spectacular day. The best day you've ever had. Because now you know how to do this. Bye.